I'll continue.
Yes.
See, if we have a proper sleep, these are the benefits: ability to manage stress, better immune system, improved physical health, increasing energy, sharper concentration, better decision making. So this is main another source of energy. If we get energy from this sleep, then we are active at daytime. Now moving to the another main source of energy, that is breath. Breath is our main source of prana. Pranayama energizes the body and keep the spirit higher. Today you cannot function if you don't know how to operate computers, isn't it? During this pandemic situation and all these classes are going on online. So without knowing this technology, very difficult to interact with others. Yes. Similarly, and don't learn breathing exercises, it will become a handicap because we cannot know how to handle our emotions. Breathing exercises and techniques, and some techniques like Sudarshana Kriya and Pranayama help us to handle our emotions. See, breath is vital to our existence. You know, 90% of the toxins in our body are eliminated through breath. See, most of us use only 30% of the lung capacity. So, this is very unknown factor of us. Have you seen any time children? They are more enthusiastic and more energetic. If you play with them, we are fast drained, we are fast lose our energy compared with them. Because suppose if you see the food what we are having compared with the child, we are having more food than the child. But what is the difference? So they are using probably 80 to 90% of the lung capacity. But we are fortunately using only 30% of lung capacity. If we improve our lung capacity, then we improve our energy levels. So to improve our lung capacity, we have to learn some breathing techniques and do some physical activity also, walking. So by learning to work with the breath, we can learn to control our mind and thoughts. See, suppose if you are working and your management called you and they said they have given to you, they wanted to give you some promotion and your salary is getting some hike. You are not expecting at all in this pandemic situation. Even though the salary hike is around 30,000 or 40,000. So in the happiest moment, you went to your home, your child, younger child, opened the door and he said, the costly cell phone has gone. What are your expressions, reactions and response? Yes, what you are telling usually? Don't worry, we'll buy some other mobile phone. Yes or no? So in other situation, suppose you are head of the department or management call you today onwards, your services are not required. So with that feelings, you went to home. Your again younger child opened the door and has given the same answer. Now what are your reactions and response? Is it the same? No, not at all. Yes. So our quality of life depends on the state of mind, isn't it? How or the state of mind, according to that only our life depends. So here the another source of energy is calm and meditative state of mind. Have you noticed when the mind is filled with negative thoughts such as worry, fear, we become drained and tired, isn't it? The prana goes down. And when the mind is more positive, filled with thoughts of love, enthusiasm, and happiness, prana goes up and we feel more energetic. Have you observed this? Negative thinking drains us. For example, if you were to complain, gossip for an hour, more you would be notice how drained you would feel. So another thing is when you listen to knowledge or an inspiring speaker or a person or a song, you feel uplifted. So what is human nature? Are you not sad when you see others sad? Don't you get upset when you others are upset? It happens in nursery class, children. You put babies in a room and if one child cries, the whole class cries. So similarly, human nature is to share one's sorrows. If others are happy, it makes you more happy and joyful. It does not, it brings us. If you are not happy with others' happiness, what will happen? Then your mind is dirty. So meditation, Sudarshana Kriya like techniques clears such type of mind. You know, doctor says that if you think negative for 1 hour, you are consuming energy which is equal to 8 hours of hard labor. When the mind is filled with negative thoughts, energy is drained, we are tired, prana goes down. If our mind is filled with positive thoughts, we are more energetic, enthusiastic, and prana goes up. So we have to aware of how the state of mind. If we manage our state of mind, positive thoughts, then we'll get more energy. So then how to manage our state of mind? There is only way is do meditation. How to do some physical exercise. How to do some pranayamas. Yes. Now let's all learn few desktop exercises, pranayamas, and also do a little meditation. Let's experience state of mind affects energy. Is what are four energy? Food. Then what's next? Food, sleep. What's next? Breath. Without breath, we cannot survive. And common meditation of mind. Yes. I will take some exercises, physical activity. This physical activity helps us to increase energy levels in the body. Sir, am I visible, sir?
You are audible, madam. You can continue. Please continue.
Audible. I have open. So I have on. So, am I visible, sir? Now?
You are not visible. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
We are not hearing you, madam. Is there any issue with you in internet?
Just I'll connect with my Wi-Fi because
Okay.
video is not supporting with my mobile hotspot. Okay.
Yes, we can see you, madam.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's do some desktop yoga. Okay. Yeah. Give massage to your eyebrows. And here. Side of the nostril. Nose. Pull your ears. Side. Top. Stretch your ears. Pull your ears down. Give massage to your head. Okay. Along with the breath, breathe in, move your eyes up and breathe out to the floor. Okay, do it along with me. Breathe in, eyes was to the ceiling and breathe out touch the floor. Do it 2-3 times. Left and right. Squeeze your eyes, close your eyes and squeeze as much as possible. And open. Again squeeze. Open. Relax your eyes. Move your head up and down. Stretch your neck. Up and breathe out. Chin touching to the chest. Bring your head center. Now make it namaste. Shoulders straight. Okay, head straight. And stretch your body right side. Head should be straight. We are not stretching our head. We are not moving head. We have to stretch our body only, right side. Then come to center and stretch our body left. Do it 2 to 3 times. We are giving exercise to the upper part of the spine. Where you are, you can do it. Come to center and relax. Stretch your hands. Okay. Fingers. Stretch to your body. And then stretch your whole body right side. And come to center. Stretch to the left. Observe your spine, where it is stretching. Come to center. Right. Center. Left. Come to center and relax. See, these few small exercises help us to relax the body and mind within few minutes. Okay, then we'll learn few pranayamas. See, it is called Bhastrika Pranayama. Make a fist, thumb outside of the fist. Then bend your arms at the elbow in front of your shoulders. Spine alert. Spine alert. Chin straight. Okay, while breathing, raise your hand and then release the fist. While breathe out, comes down the hands as usual and make a fist. Okay, here breathe in at a forcefully we are breathing, and while breathe out, release at a stretch. All of you do the same Bhastrika Pranayama 10 to 15 times. Okay, so breathe in, raise your hands up and release the fist, and breathe out, bring back your hands. It is called Bhastrika Pranayama. While doing this pranayama, it helps us to energize our system, and whatever the stagnates present in the nostrils, it's locked down, open up. Okay. Now we'll do Bhastrika Pranayama together. Breathe in and out. In, out. Once you learn, you can close your eyes. Breathe in, out. 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 Out. And relax. Observe the flow of energy in the body. Observe the sensations in the body. Observe your thoughts. Whatever be the thoughts. Relax and open your eyes. Then we'll learn straw breath, otherwise candle blowing. It is very useful to calm down our mind. So breathe in and fill the whole lungs, and while breathe out, make it as a straw. Our mouth is make it as a straw, and breathe out slowly the entire breath. Okay, so I'll demonstrate and then all of you do it. See, breathe in, fill the lung, and breathe out through mouth. Do it again. Breathe in, fill the lungs, and breathe out through mouth. Again, do it. Do it one more time with more relaxed, useful lung capacity. Relax our whole body. So now we'll do one more useful pranayama, Nadi Sodhan pranayama. Left hand on your left lap. Right hand thumb is using for closing the right nostril, and index ring finger is using for closing the left nostril, and middle and index finger is keeping in between the eyebrows. It is the position for doing Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Left hand on your left lap, right hand for closing and opening the right and left nostrils. Index finger and middle fingers are in between eyebrows. Breathe in with both nostrils and breathe out through both nostrils. Left nostril. Close the left nostril and breathe out through right nostril. Again breathe in through right. Close the right nostril and breathe out through the left. This is one cycle. Do it the same with 7 to 9 rounds in regular practice of Nadi Sodhan Pranayam. Breathe in through the left. Hold. Breathe out through the right. Again breathe in through the right. Breathe out through the left. One more time. Breathe in through the left. Hold. And breathe out through the right. Breathe in through the right. Hold. And breathe out through the left. Do it on your own. If you have any doubts, I'll clear after this session. It is more beneficial to calm down the mind. After completion of this round, relax. Open your eyes and observe your state of mind. Have you observed any difference before this pranayama and after this pranayama? There is a lot of difference. Okay, now we'll do Bhramari pranayama. It is very helpful to the activation of the brain, and see, with the help of index finger, close your ears, eardrums. Okay, then take a long breath in. While breathe out, make humming sound. Okay, like a fly. Take breathe in, close your ears and make it sound. Do it again. Relax. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Sit comfortably. We'll do some short meditation. Let us sit easily, comfortably, with close our eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Again, take a deep breath in.
Excuse me, madam. Your video was off, I think.
Sir, it may not be required. Okay. Follow my instructions.
Okay.
That may be enough. Again, take a long breath in and let go. Listen to the noises around you. Maybe your mobile phone sound, laptop sound, fan sounds, traffic sound. Accept all the noise. Be in harmony with the environment. In and let go. Become aware of your physical body. The body is a beautiful gift given by you, by the nature. Honor and respect your body. Become aware of your feet, legs, genitals, abdomen, stomach, chest, arms, face, head, the whole body. Take a deep breath in and let go. Become aware of your thoughts. Whether good thoughts or bad thoughts. Be in harmony with them. Do not resist the thoughts. Let them come. Now you are harmony with your thoughts. Take a deep breath in and let go. Become aware of your feelings. your peace and your joy. Become aware of your feelings. Become aware of your thoughts. Become aware of sensations in your body. Become aware of your environment. Take a deep breath in and let go. Take one more breath in very slowly and gradually. You may open your eyes. How was the meditation? Relaxed? What was your experience? Was it good?
Yeah, madam. Actually, it's really very good actually because nowadays for any, I can say what I can say like corporate industry, what we see generally, there are many extending hours where we miss the physical activity, and we generally we don't find to go for water or anything like because of as you said maybe because of many works or many works to be delivered in a single day. Then I think these techniques definitely will help us to get relief of that pressure or stress. Maybe as you said like it may be very easy to do within 15 minutes, but how best that we can utilize that time in a day is very important actually. I feel that yes, these techniques are really good. Yeah, thank you, madam.
Very nice, sir. Very nice. So now it is the time to conclude. Yes. So now it is what I have given orally. You have experienced that calm and meditative state of mind. Yes, this is the wonderful source of increasing the energy levels and manage the stress. See, if stress is not managed, it affects physically and mentally and finally leads to the disease. Manage stress by increasing prana level with yogasana, pranayama. Yes, manage time well. Get adequate sleep. So these are all the various ways to manage the stress. So with this conclusion, I'll
Madam,
complete
one
my
thing
presentation.
I would, Bhavani, madam, just
Yes.
one thing like I missed few of your initial slides actually.
Yes.
One thing that I would like to know, is there anything that any technique to manage anger instantly? Because when we get something like anger, because of any reasons in the working around working atmosphere, suddenly sometimes we may lose our temper and the heat of exchange of words will become peak. Are there any techniques to control this anger for anyone? It's not for me, not for you, not for the third person, for anyone that I'm asking.
Yeah, definitely, sir. That's why we are taking this stress management. Okay, we are under stress only. We are losing our consciousness. Yes. Suppose we are having more works, but we have less time. That time only we may get some anger. Otherwise, we are having a lot of works, but energy is less. That is another scope of getting stress or losing our consciousness. So that's why we have to improve our energy levels. That is only the choice we are having. Yes. So to improve our energy levels, one of the best source is improve lung capacity. Improve lung capacity. So even to improve immunity also. So in this corona situation, to improve our immune system. So in order to improve our immune system also, this is only the source, improve the lung capacity. Breath pattern, we have to change it. So suppose we are too much of some thoughts is going on in our mind, that not at all a problem, but the same thought is repeating. That is only struggling us. Have you observed this? Thoughts are continuously going on, different thoughts are going on. It's not at all a problem. Suppose only a single thought is repeated. See? So in Art of Living organization, there are different workshops are going on. So Sudarshan Kriya is one of the greatest technique giving us from the AOL organization. Yes, we can use the technique, Sudarshan Kriya technique, that will help us a lot. Various workshops are going on through Art of Living organization also. And we may conduct some other programs in some other time also. I'll give you a few more techniques to you. So these are the techniques, okay. Daily do Nadi Sodhan Pranayama and Bastrika Pranayama, Bhramari Pranayama. So a lot of change happens. And do meditation regularly. Guided meditations also are there in website, various.
Yes, madam. Thank you.
So thank you, sir. You have given me really wonderful opportunity to interact with you. Thank you, the University JNTU Kakinada, and also the convener, Vemu Srinivasulu Garu. He is a well-wisher and friend of me. He has encouraged me a lot. That's why I have taken this session. Thank you one and all. Thank you all the participants.
Thank you, madam. Thank you very much. I hope this session will be very useful to the all participants. Thank you once again, madam. Thank you. Good afternoon, my dear participants. Today afternoon program will be like this. Yesterday postponed session is rescheduled between 2:30 to 3:30 today. It's a 1 hour. It was 1 hour session only. Okay, from 3:30 to 4 we have a small valedictory function. Our a few of our university officers and our principal HOD will speak on this occasion and valedictory function. So that will be, we will finish that valedictory function before 4, and 4 to 4:30 we have a quiz, and quiz will be like this. It is a 20 marks, I mean 20 bits, all are multiple choice. I know many participants are senior faculty who just attended to refresh their knowledge, I mean latest skills in this area, and few participants are from I think different background also. So keeping all those things in mind, so I have set the question paper like that. It is very, I think, basic questions. You can easily finish before 10 minutes. Though it is a 20%, you can complete in a 10 minutes period. So all are very easy. So I think if anyone of you want to speak on this afternoon, you want to share your experience, knowledge, anything, so which may be useful to your co-participants. So you are most welcome. You can introduce yourself, where you are working, and I think so. This is the one of the opportunity. Many young faculty or scholars are attending this FDP is to make a good network with all the senior faculty and this who are working in the same field. So I feel that may be very useful to the especially students and young faculty. So I request all the participants who want to share your whatever it may be, your experience and thoughts, how the field is this and what are the latest technology. So though of course all of our speakers have already spoken on different areas, I know many of you also have very rich background in this remote sensing and GS. So you can share those things that will be benefit to your co-participants. So that's how I have planned today's afternoon session. So just I will repeat once again. Yesterday, postponed session was rescheduled between 2:30 to 3:30. So I requested him to finish that session before 3:30 if possible. So, and a short valedictory function was planned. So maybe 3:30 to, let us say 3:50, or before 4 we'll finish all those things. So I will give more time to the sharing of your experience and feeling about this one. Okay, so that's this is my plan. So if anything that will be small alteration will be done, will be possible afternoon session. So I request you all, please join sharp at 2:30 so that we can start sharp at 2:30. It will be I think he will take only 50 or 1 hour session. Dr. Fanindra will take that session. Okay. So after that we have valedictory function and then quiz, and then if anybody want to speak on this occasion, so please let me know. Please text me, or you can mail me. Okay, you can call me also. Okay, that's all about now. If you have any, any questions, query, please ask now. Is it okay?
Sir, what about test?
Yeah, the test will be from 4. After valedictory function, we'll start the quiz. Okay. So I will post that quiz link in chat box. So I think that's why I'm telling it takes 10 minutes only. Okay.
Sir, Srinivasan sir, all these hello. Sir, all these presentations, could we get any kind of PDF?
Yes, sir. So far, I think we have received only 5 PPTs that I have already shared with you. I requested some of the some others
Okay.
did not respond to my request. Yeah,
Okay.
but video lectures are there, sir. I'm sharing with you.
Okay. Okay. That's fine, sir. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. So anything else, sir?
Nothing. Nothing.
Professor
Yeah, sir.
Srinivasalu,
Sir, boliye sir.
good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
You yesterday you said that there is some feedback system.
Yes, sir.
So online, when it will be held?
Yeah.
Do we have to feedback on the web portal of the Atal or here only?
Yeah, here I think you have to give feedback in Atal portal also, sir. Once this FDP is over, I think I have to upload attendance of all participants and the quiz marks in Atal portal also as a coordinator. But those things not yet activated. I have sent a mail to them. So I think they said that after this workshop is over, they will activate those attendance and quiz links. Okay. So I will upload all of your attendance and your quiz marks. So from my end, I think it takes maybe 2 or 3 days. After that, again, you have to log in into AICTE portal and you have to give your feedback and all those things. Once you give feedback, and once you have a sufficient attendance and marks in quiz, so automatically a certificate will be generated and will be sent to your mail ID, sir. So
Just as you know, probably tomorrow or so they will activate feedback and for your uploading the marks and attendance.
Yes, sir.
And even after finishing from tomorrow onwards or from as the this course is finished by evening, we will be able to submit feedback on the portal. I mean the Atal portal.
Yes, sir.
They activate that.
Yes.
And after finishing this one on tomorrow evening or by today evening or by tomorrow morning, they will activate to receive the feedback from the participants.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions? I mean, if you have any queries. Okay, sir.
No, sir. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Again, we will meet at and 2:30.
2:30.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.